CAA MCK here, Gen 1. Let's take it out of here. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna put this down for a second. See that there? See it there? This right here, what is this one? This is for the, I have to read the manual, but I think this is dealing with the charging handle. Yeah, got to install that on here. Install that. And this is going to be for the 19X here. And again, this is the Gen 1 version of this here. Yeah, I don't sell, so I'm gonna grab one. Yeah, that's it. See the color here. Let's see, hold on one second. Directions right here. Owner's manual, micro conversion kit, MCK. Read up on that. I said I got to install it next. Next video I make on this, it will be about the pistol will be in there, so it'll be about that. Blah blah blah. This is the owner's manual. Yep. Cool. Put my own sights on there. When I say own, probably put some either Geisley or, Daniel Defense, either or. Probably Geisley, most likely. I'll put some Geisley sights on there. Geisley front rear sights on here. Well, y'all seen me open this here, unboxing this here. Got to put it together. I'll do that next. Yeah, it's pretty cool there. Y'all see it right here. Give you a better view here. All right, much respect, y'all.